How to add an image to content. We'll show you how to add an image and then wrap text around the image. So first click on the page you want to edit. Place your cursor where you want your image and then click the Insert Edit Image icon here. Click the magnifying glass to access the image file manager and then select your image to insert it. You write your image description, which will be a keyword-rich image statement, and click OK. Now here's a tip: make sure your image is the correct size for the page before you add it to the page, before you add it to the file manager. So an image which is roughly 50% of the page width will be 555 pixels wide, or 33% of the page width will be 370 pixels wide. Remember, your website will be responsive to the user's device. Image file names should be made up of short key phrases with no gaps or caps. For instance, website designers would be website-designers.jpg as a file name. To wrap your text around your image, you keep your image selected and then click Format, Formats, Image Right or Image Left, and then click Save. If you want to add an image shadow, do this. Select the image and click Format, Formats, Image Shadow, and that gives you a shadow behind the image. Click Save.